Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Omnisend, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create an Omnisend account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an Omnisend account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that staying in touch with your customers via email or even text messages is an important way to increase the lifetime value. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, omnisend.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create an Omnisend account, you're going to click here, Start for Free. Sometimes Omnisend is running a promotion, so let me go ahead and click here. Next, in order to create your Omnisend account, you can sign up with your Shopify, your Google, or you can do what I do and use your email. Once you do that, you're going to enter in your email address, create a password, disclose if your business is e-commerce or non-e-commerce, agree with the terms of service, and then click on Sign Up. Okay, a quick second later, Omnisend sends me a confirmation email. So let me go ahead and open up that email, and I'm going to click on the confirmation link. Okay, after clicking on the link, it opens up the Omnisend browser, and they're going to ask for your first name, your last name, business name, and then your business website. So I'm going to enter that in off screen. Okay, I entered in the required information. I'm going to click on Continue. Okay, and next, to comply with anti-spam laws, you do need to list off your business address. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in off screen. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to my Omnisend dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start bringing in my audience, setting up different forms, and connecting my accounts. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create an Omnisend account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.